In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn YouTube videos into detailed notes. So this saves you time, and it's just a very efficient way to learn or get information from YouTube videos. So this is all going to be done in Gemini using Google's tool Gemini Notebook. This used to be called NotebookLM. They're trying to rebrand it. So what you want to do is go to your Gemini account, go to gemini.google.com, log into your Google account. And then what you want to do is open up the sidebar here in the left-hand corner, go to Open Sidebar, and you'll see something that says Notebooks, New Notebook. If we click on New Notebook, it'll introduce you to the notebook system. Go ahead and click Get Started, or it might prompt you to go directly here. So what are we working on? This is where we title this specific notebook. So I just titled it YouTube Video Learning Everything About Google Notebook, and then we hit enter or click the arrow here. And then this is going to process to where we have the notebook created, as you can see in the sidebar. And then what you want to do is we want to add sources. So we have our title of our notebook and we want to click on Add Sources. Then over on the left, you'll see the ability to upload files, add from Drive, add website, or copy text. You can do any of the other things, but for YouTube videos specifically, we want to go to Add Websites right here on the left-hand side. I have pulled up two recent YouTube videos over here when I searched for Beginner's Guide to Google Notebook or NotebookLM, and all of my YouTube friends have created wonderful tutorials, but they're very long, and I just want to learn the basics to get me started. So I found the most recent full videos and I pasted those links right here into the website URL box. Then I go to Insert, like so. It will process those links and you should see the YouTube logo come up when it has done so. And if you want to remove a specific link, if you're getting bad information, you can hover over it, click the X, and you are good to go. Now, once you've added sources, we go ahead and click the X here, and we have two sources over on the right-hand side. So right here where I'm prompting the notebook, I'm basically going to ask questions regarding the sources we've added. So what are the most important points? Are there things I may have missed? If I want to be proficient with this tool quickly, give me the full rundown. If I hit enter or submit like so, once it processes your questions, it will give you a full rundown and note of everything you have asked about specifically regarding those sources. And you can copy this over to a note. You can save it as a markdown file for tools like Obsidian. But a pro tip here, once you have your notes, is if you click on the sidebar on the notebook itself, the title over here, and get back to this screen here, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the Gemini Notebook link. If we click on that, it will then open up the NotebookLM or notebook site itself. It will be utilizing the same sources and you'll be within the same notebook that we just created. Not only can we ask questions and be prompted to ask specific questions, as you see here, over on the right-hand side, we can create all kinds of things. Audio overviews like podcast, video overview, which is new, reports, a mind map. I like the infographic. If you click into infographic here, it'll generate an infographic based on the sources that you've provided. And as you can see, we can click on the infographic that it created and it gives us some awesome comparison images here. And as a visual learner, this is really helpful to someone like me, but this is just one of the many things that you can do. Over on the chat that we just did here, I'll show you very quickly. At the very bottom of the response, you can just copy it. So copy response here and then go to your note app of choice and then paste it in there. And now you have a nice note, as you see I do here in Obsidian, for me to go back on and to look at and to see and gain information just as if I was adding or editing a note myself. And that's it. That's how you create amazing notes from YouTube videos to where it saves you a huge amount of time. As the videos that I've added totaled almost to an hour, I now within 10 minutes have a great recap and can ask questions to get feedback and have specific things that I can ask and not have to sift through a very long video. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll have some pinned comments down below and we'll see you guys in the next video.